Hello everyone. It's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations. And I figure I make a really short video. I've had several questions about the upcoming class, which is the making of this beautiful file folio being taught in the Academy this coming Thursday and Friday. It is a 2-day workshop by Kateri from Kateri's Crafty Ideas. Now, we're going to be making something very similar to this. This is one version, which is the one that I have. However, on this coming workshop, we're going to be using the following kit to make it. So it's going to vary a little bit, and I will link down below Kateri's video because she showed on her channel exactly what we're going to be making. So just to kind of give you a quick overview, it's going to be something similar to this, which is incredibly beautiful and well made. Excuse me. Got a tickle in my throat. Of course I would get a tickle in my throat as soon as I started recording, right? Sorry guys, didn't mean to cough in your ear. Um, and again, the supplies are already listed. The email has gone out. If you still want to join, there is still time. Now, you might not get your kit in time, but you'll be able to join the class, take notes, ask questions, get some of the basic stuff started, like the folder and all that. And then, of course, uh, you can rewatch the class because it will be available for replay for those who have purchased the kit. In addition to that, of course, you guys can always refer back to it. So if you would like to join, I think there's four kits still available, and this is what the kit includes. So let me break it down so you guys can see exactly what it includes. It is listed on the online store, so I will leave a link down below while supplies last. And then you can always reach out to me as well if you have any questions. You're going to get a pack of Apex clips and your Tim Holtz clasp so that you can make your dangle from the spine. So those are included. You're going to be using the 49 and Market Nature Study paper line in order to create the one. And again, like I said, I'll leave the link so you can go see the actual one that we're going to be making. The kit is going to include the full pack of the foliage laser cut elements, which is 141 elements, a beautiful laser cut, no fussy cutting. They simply pop right out. So you're going to get a full pack of those. You're also going to get a full pack of the Nature Study General Elements laser cuts, which is 97 pieces. It includes all of these. Once again, they are laser cut, so all you have to do is pop them out. In addition to that, you're going to get the green folder, which is the base that we're going to be using. And then the following papers, which you're going to need in order to craft along. You're going to need this one right here. So these are all included in your kit. And I can't wait. It's going to be 2 full days of just wonderful crafting. And of course, in a small classroom setting via online. Of course, this is taught virtually, so everyone can join from anywhere. And again, if the timing does not coincide with what you've got cooking, no worries, because you'll be able to rewatch it whenever you are able to, right? At least for close to a month, it will be available for replay and rewatch. So, and then of course, if you have questions, you can always refer back to the video as well. Okay, and so those are all of the papers, also included in the kit, as well as all the other materials. Once again, I am going to leave a link down below to Katiri's channel, so, or that video that she made, so you guys can go check out the actual project itself, hear some suggestions that she has, see the walkthrough. Um, and then, of course, so you can subscribe to her channel. But if you guys have any questions, I will be helping to host the class, as well as mailing out any of the kits that are purchased. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact Kateri or myself. Once again, our contact information is listed down below. And I cannot wait for this class and to see you all craft along and hang out with us. And it's going to be via Zoom. So the nice thing is you will also be able to be there. And if you want to chat, you can. If you want to speak, of course, you'll be able to speak. If you want to even share your camera, you can share it. All that is optional, but it also allows you the opportunity to be able to ask questions right on the spot as if you were sitting right next to us in a classroom. More importantly, you're going to have the know-how on how to recreate. Again, the links are going to be down below, but you'll be able to remake this beautiful folio using all kinds of other paper lines in the future now that you will have the instructions on how to do so. So we look forward to having you join us. We can't wait to see you in class. See you soon. Again, don't forget to reach out if you have any questions or have a need to purchase the kit or the instruction by itself.